Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, if you're also interested in private reading, naka 30% discount tayo hanggang March 20, 2024. So, lahat ng information, link, kung paano makapag-book ay nasa description at pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Sag, let's see what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks for Sagittarius. Transits, climate, changes. Oo, mga shifting, okay? So, yung iba sa inyo may mga, this can be minor changes for some of you na maaring kailangan yung pagdaanan or tanggapin, no? In the next 2 weeks. Ano naman siya hindi naman siya yung tipong fix na. Ito ay magbabago-bago. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng pabago-bagong schedule sa trabaho. Oo. Or yung sa relationship mo, pwedeng may mga plano kayo na magbabago, no? With your romantic person. Solar flares, activation. So, maaring meron ka ring mga i-activate na passion mo sa buhay, no? Ito yung mga nag-i-inspire sa'yo to do something or to create something. Okay, so let's see what else you have. Square, semi-square, queen conchs. Uy, may tension. So, maaaring in the next 2 weeks, maka-experience ka ng tension with someone or pwedeng some challenges sa isang connection mo, sa isang friend mo, or sa isang tao na makaka-deal mo, no, in the next 2 weeks. Or pwede rin tong situation, no, like sa career, sa trabaho na maaring mga ka-workmates mo medyo magkakaroon ng tension dyan sa trabaho or conflict with your boss. Ano naman yan? Hindi naman yan, like what I mentioned kanina, hindi naman yan fix. Pwede rin yan magbago-bago. Pwede kasi maraming kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. And some people kasi kapag may mga minamadali, nasa-stress, 'di ba? At kapag nasa-stress, nagkakaroon ng frustration na pwedeng mag-lead sa conflict with other people. So, overall energy, you have the Knight of Cups. Some of you may offer, can be a love offer, can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You also have the Death card as your challenge. So, yun nga, challenging sa inyo yung transformation, yung changes na may experience nyo ngayong in the next 2 weeks. Endings and new beginnings. Merong pinto na magsasara, pero meron namang magbubukas. So, for example, lipat bahay, 'di ba? So, syempre yung pag-move out mo sa dati mong tinitirahan, that is the door closing. And then, pag-move in mo sa bago mong titirahan, yun yung open. Yun yung nag-open na door for you. So, pwede tong iiwan ng trabaho, and then, meron kang simula na bagong work, career. So, yung transition na yon ang maaring maging challenging sa inyo. Pwedeng medyo stressful. Oo, gano'n naman talaga pag may nagbabago. Lalo na pag may paglipat. Ayan. Kasama yan sa proseso. Your opportunity, you have the 9 of Wands. So, kahit na challenging yung mga maaari nyo ma-experience, you still have the strength na kailangan mo, no? Meron kang sapat na lakas na kailangan mo para mapagtagumpayan yan. So, don't you worry. And then your blessing is the High Priestess. You have enough wisdom. Marami kang kaalaman. Sapat ang iyong kaalaman para manavigate mo, no? Or paano ba yung navigate? Para magawa mo yung mga kailangan mong matapos in the next 2 weeks. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong blessing pagdating sa kung meron kayong mga pinag-aaralan ngayon, you will be blessed with so much wisdom and knowledge that will improve your life, your lifestyle. Yung iba naman, you are highly psychic, you are gifted in terms of yung inyong psychic abilities. So, makakatulong rin yan in making decisions kasi very much connected kayo sa inyong higher self and guided talaga kayo. So, let's see your money, career, finances, energy. Wow, you have the Ten of Pentacles. O, diba? Meron kayong abundance in terms of your finances, your money. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matatanggap na mana. Kung kayo ay nag-aasikaso ng mana ninyo from your parents, or kung sino man na magbibigay sa inyo ng, may magpapamana sa inyo yan. Makukuha nyo yan. Wow! May wish fulfillment rin sa career. Okay, so kaya yung iba sa inyo, merong transformation, maaring ito yung dream job mo, no? Or dream career mo na makukuha mo na, or dream na business mo. You have the Hierophant. Yes, so much learning para sa inyo. Yung iba, merong leadership role na mag-unfold. So maaring iba sa inyo may promotion. So syempre, pag may mga ganyan, yung iba kasi nabibigyan sila ng bonus, no, sa promotion. Or of course, pag may promotion, increase yan ng salary, 'di ba? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron ding mentorship. You will be mentored by someone na maraming alam sa buhay, tutulungan kayo paano magpalago ng pera. So, maaring mentor nyo to sa trading, no, sa investments. Let's see naman sa love life. Tignan natin ang love life ng mga Sag. Uy, Four of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, lilipat ng bahay, yung family, no? Or kayo naman magsasama na ng person mo. 'Di ba? You have the World card. Oh, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong karelasyon na foreigner, o hindi man foreigner, OFW, or nasa ibang bansa, na pwedeng kayo ay mag-move in na together, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaaring yun yung challenging kasi marami kang kailangang gawin, asikasuhin. You know, some of you may feel burdensome, no, dito sa mga pagbabago, tong transition na may experience ninyo. Pero for good naman to 'di ba? So, example, yung bahay nyo before is hindi ganun kakomportable. Tapos nakabili kayo ng bahay or may pagkakataon kayo na lumipat sa mas magandang bahay. So, syempre, yung proseso nung paglilipat, yun yung medyo stressful, nakakapagod. Pero once na makalipat ka na sa mas magandang bahay, edi, you will feel more comfortable, which is good for you. Kaya, you don't have to worry about it. Iba sa inyo, you will remain strong sa relationship. Yung iba naman na walang karelasyon sa ngayon, possible na merong magpapakilala sa inyo na taga-ibang bansa. Or parang common friends or family member ang magpapakilala. Oo. Na pwedeng may potential. But I don't know, some of you, if you are single, parang feeling nyo hindi pa kayo ready. Or marami pa kayong responsibilities na yun muna yung gusto nyong i-prioritize, no? Uy, may success. Ang ganda. Today is a really good day. You're in the flow. Problems are solved quickly and easily. Helpful people show up for you and unexpected gift falls into your lap. Ang ganda. So, very successful ang inyong next 2 weeks. also have body. Your body deserves your love. So you will also focus on taking care of yourself, your health in general, no, pangkabuhan, nakalusugan mo. Physical, emotional, mental health. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.